Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be telling you all how I write my planner. Yes, I had mentioned in the previous video that I'm going to tell you all how to write in a planner, and I have ordered a planner and it looks super cute. As you can see, it's from Pop It Out. It's a Instagram store. I'm gonna link it in the bio if you want to go check their planners out. Also, I know that it's really late to put a planner video, but honestly I already skipped a month and this is the second month, that is February, and I am writing my planner since the second month, but it's okay. I think I can use the left out sheets for other things, and the reason was that I was somewhere else and this planner got delivered somewhere else, so I didn't get my planner the whole month. That was January. Yeah, I didn't get my planner on the first month of 2021. So let me show you all my planner. It's here. It's so cute. As you can see, the box, the packaging is really cute, and the price of this planner, let me tell you all before unboxing this, it is 1200 rupees. Yes, it might seem like it's really overpriced for a planner. I mean, I don't know, it might seem like that, but actually it's really worth it. I'm gonna show you all how good this planner is. So I've already written this planner, so this is not the first time that I'm unboxing it, so let's re-unbox it. So this planner consists of a tiny planner and it comes with a bookmark. It has really cute doodle work on it, and the other side is just colors. It's super cute, and again it also has a really cute little planner that you can, carry anywhere, like a pocket planner. Yeah, it's empty. I didn't write anything in the pocket planner. It's really cute. Also, it has this really motivational quotes written in every page. Yeah, it's different. It's not the same quote, so that's good. And this is the ultimate planner for 2021. It's so cute, as you can see. It has this amazing doodle work on it, and also it has a slot to keep your pen. And now let's show you what's inside this book. So this is the first page. I've written my name here in 2 fonts. We girls have this urge to write it neatly, and the first time I wrote it, I didn't like my handwriting here, so I wrote it in caps and then I just left it like that. Coming to your first page, you have here information about yourself to fill in. I don't know why that is necessary in a planner, because we know about ourselves obviously, but still. Okay, here you have to paste your picture and stuff. I don't do all that, so that's all time waste. Okay, here you have a slot to put your picture and all. I don't do that. I don't know, I don't like it. Coming to the next page, I have a reading list column where I can write down all the novels that I've read, and I can rate it here, so that if anybody asks me for a novel suggestion, I can easily look at the novel and I can tell them that I liked it this much when I read it, because I can't recollect how much I liked my novel, so I'm gonna write it here. Also, if you are not so much of a person who reads a lot, you can make this column as a Netflix show list or anything. You can write your Netflix shows that you have watched and you can rate it. Completely depends on what you want to do in your planner. And in this page, I have a habits to inculcate in 2021. I have written some habits here that I have told you in my previous video. The same thing is what I have written here. And here you have a page that says pep talk for future you. I have left that page blank because one day it'll strike to my mind where I'll start overthinking everything and I just don't know what to do of it. That time I'm gonna write everything here to motivate myself, not to make me more sad or anything. So, and in this sheet I have a goals page. That's goals for your career, goals for your health, goals for your finance, and goals for your self-care. It's super cute. I filled the first two, the second two I'm still working on. Okay, so now this page is my favorite page. As you can see here, we have time to travel, budget, expenses, places I want to travel, and then the date, transportation, accommodations, everything I can plan here so well. But the problem is that how much ever you plan, we don't go anywhere. I know most of you all are like this. You guys plan and plan and plan, but nothing gets succeeded. But it's okay. You can plan it, at least. Plan karo, khwab dekho, succeed ho ya na. And now in the next sheet you have a track your progress for your budget. This is a really important sheet, okay? You have 3 columns here for each month, as you can see. You have budget allotted for each month. You can write here. You are supposed to write the money you have spent and the money you have saved, and like that is going to help you save more money. And also you can write down something where you want to buy something big, how to save and all. You can just write down here. It's a really good page. So these were the starting pages, and coming to a yearly review. Okay, so this is a 2021 yearly overview. I have left this page blank because I think I'm going to write a yearly overview when it is in the end of this year. I don't know, I just left this page like that because I'll write it in the end of the year, how I felt the whole year. Already there are a lot of pages to plan, so I just left it for that. Here you have your vision board. It is very small for me for a vision board because there are just 4 slots here, and I have a lot of visions currently, so I have done nothing here. Maybe I'll make a vision board separately to make me remember what and all I want to achieve this year, and it might help me, so I would do that better than just sticking 4 pictures here, but I'll see what to do. And here there's a page that says 21 things that you've missed in 2020. This slot is also really cool, so it's going to make me remember that what and all you have missed out in your life, what and all you have to do in your coming years. It's really good again. And that's it for the starting pages. And finally, we are starting with January here. I've written nothing in the January month, I told you. I'm still sad that I didn't get to write in my planner from the first month, but it's okay. Here you can write your monthly to-dos. Here you can write your monthly to-dos, and here you can write important events. Here you can write goals for this month, and here you can write some notes. It's a really nice page. First page for each month you have this. Here you have boxes for each date of the month. This is like a small note column where you can just write down small notes for each day, like you have to do this on this day. On the next page you have columns that are bigger in size that you can write down elaborately what you want to do on each day. This is the main planner column for me, and here I plan a lot of stuff. And coming to the next page, here there's a habit tracker which is really necessary. Here you can write down the basic emotions that we all go through, that is anger, happiness, sadness, and you can just mark down on which date what did you have. Okay, so this is a really nice mood tracker, so that more of the ticks come to happiness rather than sadness. That's the main agenda of this column here, so that you can be happy and you can track your mood. And coming to this column here, you have your shopping list. This column is my favorite because I get to write down what and all I want to buy that month. I don't forget it. Monthly expenses, again for your expenses there's a list. For each month you have an elaborated list here, and in the beginning that I showed, it was a yearly one. And you have a empty page here that you can use as a journal entry. And now you have here undated planners. You can write down the date and you can plan. If you have a lot to do on that specific date, you can write down the date and do so. An undated planner is also really important. You have nearly 4 pages of undated planner. It's really good again. And in the last page you have a scribble anything you want section. You can scribble anything you want, you can write whatever you want there, you can use it as a journal entry, anything. So that is how you have to maintain a journal. I am in love with this journal. And also I forgot to mention that we have a lot of stickers here in the end page. They are so cute. I can use these stickers in the planner to plan It's really good. And the basic thing that I want to tell you all before buying a planner is that if you want to achieve a lot of things in your life, and if you want to work accordingly the planner, only then consider buying a planner. If you are just a person who does not have a lot of tasks to do in a day, and if you're not goal oriented, and if you don't wish to plan things out, you just wait for days to go by and jab bhi karenge chalta hai kind of person, don't buy this planner. Don't buy this, don't buy any planner. And by the way, your first goal for every year should be to become a goal oriented person, so that you can achieve your goals. Every single one of you all have some goals in your life to achieve, and trust me, whatever goal you want to achieve, it cannot be achieved in a single day at all. It requires constant efforts. You might plan something that you want to do this, but it's not gonna happen in a day or something, so you have to do each and every step, and for that planners like these are going to help a lot. Also, if you don't want to invest so much in a planner, there are also some really cheap planners that I've seen on Amazon. I'm going to link that too in my bio. You can go check that out. It's within $500, I guess. You can check that out too. Also, if you don't want to invest in a planner at all and you are a really creative person, you can make such planners, guys. If you have a lot of waste sheets in your home, just collect all those papers and just put rows and columns and make your own planner. It's not even that difficult. I've already told you what and all are inside such planners. You can make such columns for yourself and just motivate yourself. That was the purpose of this video. It was not any collaboration with this brand or anything like that. I just want you all to be organized and goal oriented. So yes guys, if this video helped you guys out in any sort of manner, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be really happy to make more such videos for you all. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be making more and more of videos this year. So yes guys, meet you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.